Enabling SIM PIN on your iPhone 16 adds an extra layer of security by preventing unauthorized access to your cellular service if your device is lost or stolen. Here's how it's done. First, head over to the home screen by swiping up from the bottom of the display. From the home screen, tap on the settings icon. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll to find and then tap on cellular. To enable the SIM PIN, toggle to turn the switch on. When prompted, enter your existing SIM PIN. It's usually provided by the carrier. Otherwise, skip to the next step. Once you're finished setting up the SIM PIN, tap Done to confirm. When the SIM PIN is enabled, you'll need to enter the PIN after each device restart. You also have limited attempts to enter the correct PIN. Incorrect attempts may lock your SIM card. To disable the SIM PIN, all you have to do is toggle the switch to turn the feature off. Enter your SIM PIN when prompted and then tap Done to confirm. This feature on your iPhone 16 ensures your cellular service remains secure even if someone gains physical access to your device. Be sure to keep your SIM PIN handy, as you'll need it to unlock your SIM after restarting your device. And that's it. Please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.